Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're gonna make these chocolate chip oatmeal cookies with butterscotch chips. That's a lot to say. Chocolate chip and butterscotch chip cookies. I use the recipe that I found online for the butterscotch chips from GoDairyFree.com. I'll put the link below. And the chocolate chip cookie recipe I used from Lauren from Hot for Food. She has a new cookbook out. I used the cookie recipe from there. Again, I'll link that below so you can find it. I've got all my ingredients measured out. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up till everything gets to 200 degrees. If you need the recipe, don't forget, it's down below. Ooh, so pretty. I thought I was gonna need a candy thermometer, but if you watch your goo and see when it starts to all mix together, turn it down. I didn't actually end up using my candy thermometer because I kept burning myself. So just watch it. It definitely changes consistency and then you immediately turn it down. I'm super excited to see how this turns out. Ah, so yummy. My stuff has been in the refrigerator overnight. It's hard. I'm gonna start slicing into it to make it into chip sizes. Oh, it breaks up nice. I was afraid because it's been in the refrigerator that it was gonna be super hard, but it breaks up super nice. How big should the chips be? Am I making it too big? So I'm gonna take the little slivers I just made and break it up by hand and stick it in a little container. I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's good. It's a little grainy. If I'm putting cookies, it's gonna taste delicious. I made Lauren from Hot for Foods cookies in her new cookbook. The only thing I'm doing different is adding 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1 cup of the butterscotch chips. Baking montage. So good. These are a Valentine's treat for Mr. Remake, so surprise! He's the one filming right now. But if you have a vegan Valentine's, then this would be a great treat for them. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable, eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye!